This walkthrough covers how to fix Omnisend not sending emails, how to fix email deliverability issues, how to fix Shopify Omnisend sync, and how to fix email marketing problems. How to fix Omnisend not sending emails. Start with checking the campaign status, reviewing warnings, sender setup, and recipient list. Open campaigns and check the campaign status. If the campaign shows a yellow pause status, it may be undergoing campaign verification. Wait for the verification window to finish. If the campaign shows a red pause status or an error message, open the notification and follow the prompt. Next, check the review step. Fix warnings for missing content, broken links, sender email, or campaign setup. Then, check the audience. Email campaigns only sent to contacts subscribed to the email channel. If the segment has no subscribed contacts, the campaign has nobody to send to. For automations, open the workflow and confirm that it is active, published, and using the right trigger. How to fix email deliverability issues. Start with authentication, list quality, engagement, and email content. Go to Reports, then Deliverability. Check domain and sender performance first. Make sure SPF, DKIM, and DMARC are set up for the sending domain. Next, clean the list. Go to Reports, Deliverability, Email List Hygiene, then open Email List Cleaning. Use engaged segments first when recovering deliverability. Send to contacts who opened or clicked recently before sending to the full list again. Then check the content. Avoid all caps subject lines, too many links, misleading wording, and image-only emails. Also, check the actual folder placement. Gmail promotions still means the email reached the inbox. Spam folder placement needs deliverability work. How to fix Shopify Omnisend sync. Go to Store Settings, then Connected Store. Confirm the Shopify store is connected and active. In Shopify, open Apps and confirm that Omnisend email marketing and SMS is installed. For Shopify 2.0 themes, open Online Store, Themes, Edit Theme, then App Embeds. Turn on the Omnisend app embed and save. Next, check sync timing. Orders and customer actions can sync within minutes. Contact profile updates can take up to 1 hour. Historical data can take up to 24 hours. Then, open Audience and Contacts. If contacts appear, but email subscribers show 0, check consent. Shopify contacts without a marketing opt-in sync as non-subscribed. How to fix email marketing problems. Find the weak point in the campaign. Opens, clicks, sales, unsubscribes, or deliverability. Go to Reports, then Campaigns. Open the campaign report and check open rate, click rate, orders, revenue, spam complaints, and unsubscribes. For low opens, review the sender name, subject line, pre-header, audience quality, and send time. For low clicks, open the email builder. Check the main CTA, button text, links, product blocks, and mobile layout. For low sales after clicks, check whether the landing page, offer, product, and audience match. For high unsubscribes or spam complaints, narrow the audience and clean inactive contacts. That's how to troubleshoot Omnisend issues. Check sending status, fix deliverability, confirm Shopify sync, Then, use reports to improve the next campaign. And welcome to Omnisend.